number of coronavirus cases rise, new restrictions are being put in place in Boulder. It applies to students. All those between the years of 18 and 22 are being barred from holding gatherings of any size. That will remain in effect until October 8, possibly later. It is a consequence of students partying without social distancing and wearing masks.
These officials couldn't have seen the writing on the wall. They didn't see the writing on the wall. They chose to be naive.
Miles Levin is a student who took pictures in August of crowds not following the COVID safety regulations. In-person learning on the CU campus has been temporarily suspended.
And the university there in Boulder, with nearly 1,100 students testing positive, is by far the biggest outbreak in our state right now. Regis University in Denver has 32 active cases, and one frat at the University of Denver has 9. That's one of the reasons why the city of Denver is working to prevent college outbreaks similar to what's happening in Boulder. Today, Mayor Hancock announced new restrictions aimed at college students. CBS 4's Jacqueline Quinn on that story, live at the Pepsi Center. Jacqueline, health officials telling students to get tested.
In fact, the Denver Department of Public Health and Environment actually set up a dedicated lane here for college students to get tested quickly. And take a look at the numbers again of outbreaks related to the universities. DU has 8 active outbreaks, many at fraternities, 1 at Regis University and 1 at Metro State. And the message to students, this has to stop.
I don't know anyone that's having parties right now. I'm in a sorority and we're not doing anything.
Morgan Rogers at Metropolitan State University in Denver is a little surprised to hear about the number of COVID-19 cases and why they're going up.
And now here's where we are. We're starting to see this increase again.
The Denver Department of Public Health and Environment's director attributes it to students.
Largely the result of, again, less physical distancing and activities that take place on and off campus.
So now the department is issuing new requirements.
These orders include requiring additional health screenings for students, staff, and visitors.
Athletes now also have to wear masks while playing and traveling, and restrictions will be placed for activities held by sororities and fraternities. They may face fines if these rules are broken.
We're on campus for band, and we've been doing that, and they've been having a social distance. But we're not really able to wear masks when we're doing that, so we're doing what we can.
Rogers hopes band classes will not be impacted further. However, she understands the need to adjust.
If they need to increase the protocols, they need to do what they need to do.
And really, it was a long list. We'll have more of those requirements in our story shortly. But again, any student or school that's found in violation of this could be subject to a fine of up to $1,000. For now, reporting in Denver, I'm Jacqueline Quinn, covering Colorado First.
Thank you, Jacqueline. Colorado